Ko murundi rwa 2006 kwaba kwine ekigendererwa eky'okugariza emisingi y'Eihanga kiyambeho okukuuma ekitinisa ky'Eihanga. Ori omweshongozi w'ebyeshongoro by'eddiini okuruga omu burengye bw'izooba Lilian Nabasa yacamura enkuyanja n'enkuyanja kandi tiyareka ebikonje bishitami. Omurundi ogundi kwaya y'ishengyero ry'Eihanga ebembirwemu orusipiika w'ishengyero Right Honorable Anita Among hamwe n'omuhwezi we Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa nabo bayishongorera abantu. Ahantu h'abanyishengyero bayebembera omu kushabisa hamwe n'okushoma ebicweka bya misa.
Deeply mindful of the truth in Psalms 11 verse 3, if the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do?
Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there's hatred, let me sow love. Where there's injury, pardon. Where there's doubt, faith. Where there's despair, hope.
Ori omukyara wa Pulezidenti Janet Kataha Museveni omu kushabira Eihanga yashabira ebikorwa by'obushomankuzi ebijwire omu bitongore bya gavumenti ekintu ekyarikushaba Mukama okutubeera entegyero.
It is a great shame to see that Uganda's index for corruption is one of those known to be high in Africa. This is a great shame for a nation that has worked with you so long and you have been so precious to us. As leaders, therefore, we bring repentance.
Ogu yayongera yashabira Eihanga okugira obusinge hamwe n'okushabira abazaire ahabo kubaasa kutunga esente okureeba ngu baherera abaana baabo.
Thank you, Lord God, that parents can send their children to school in peace, trusting that their children can continue their studies without interruption.
Omwebembezi w'Eihanga omu kugamba kwe yashobora ngu abashaho b'ekiraguzo tabiineho buzibu ahabw'okuba nabo nikwe bakuramya Mukama.
Then the traditional religion, we have no problem with them. I know we're hearing of denouncing them. We have a very good relationship with them. You could say they need some help. We were helping them.
Museveni yahendera nayebaza abatebeekanisa okushaba oku kandi yabashaba okukozesa okushaba oku nk'omuringo gw'okukora ebirikwetaagisa obutarikushiisha eshaara ezi.
And I want you to really push the spirit of the prayer breakfast, which is the spirit of the world. Because we have succeeded in the world because we brought everybody together.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano habwa Sky Television against Shong.